Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add device in Tailscale. If you want to securely connect multiple devices across different networks, Tailscale provides a simple way to create a private network using WireGuard technology. By adding devices to your Tailscale network, you can securely access them from anywhere as if they were on the same local network. To begin, open your browser and go to the official dashboard of Tailscale. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll first need to sign up using an identity provider such as Google, Microsoft, or GitHub. Once you've signed in, you'll see the Tailscale admin console. This dashboard allows you to manage all the devices that are connected to your private network, which is often referred to as a tailnet. Then, under the Machine section, you'll find an option labeled Add Device. Once you click on it, you'll have an option to choose between a Linux server and a client device compatible with most devices. Next, you'll need to install the Tailscale application on the device you want to add. Tailscale is available for several platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. After downloading the appropriate version for your device, install and open the application. Here, you'll either send an email link or a QR code to that device by clicking on Send. After signing in and using the link on the other device, the new device will automatically join your tailnet and establish a secure connection using WireGuard technology. Within a few moments, the device will appear in your Tailscale admin dashboard under the list of connected machines. Each device in the list will display information such as its name, operating system, connection status, and the private IP address assigned by Tailscale. These addresses allow devices in the network to communicate securely with each other, regardless of their physical location. Once the device has been added, you can use Tailscale to access services running on that machine, such as remote desktops, servers, or file shares. Because the devices are connected through a private encrypted network, you don't need to configure complex firewall rules or port forwarding. Adding more devices works the same way. Simply install the Tailscale app on another computer or phone, sign in using the same account, and it will automatically join your private network. Using Tailscale makes it easy to connect devices securely, whether you're managing servers, accessing home computers remotely, or creating a private network for your team. And that's how to add a device in Tailscale. By installing the Tailscale app and signing in with your account, the device will automatically join your private network and appear in your dashboard. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.